Welcome to MongoDB 8, from basics to scalable architecture. This video is about building a backend that never goes down. We'll engineer a headless CMS to serve millions of content requests across web, mobile, IoT, and AI simultaneously. The architecture you will build already runs the world. MongoDB powers infrastructure for global publishing, enabling content delivery under 200 milliseconds. Most MongoDB courses stop where real engineering begins. They teach syntax, not systems thinking. You need to understand why a simple query can lead to a full collection scan at 10,000 concurrent users, and how poor modeling leads to silent technical debt. The cost of getting schema design wrong at scale is real. Wrong shard keys cause downtime. Unbounded arrays can silently grow to the 16 megabytes limit, throwing fatal exceptions. Ignoring the ESR rule can cause latency spikes of 40x. This is a 90-day curriculum centered around one real project, the Flexible Content Hub. It includes 90 lessons across 6 phases, culminating in a production-grade system. We focus on the why behind every command. The Flexible Content Hub is a production spec system with 5 engineered components. You'll build a dynamic schema engine for infinite custom fields and a localized versioning core for audit trails and zero downtime rollback. MongoDB 8.0 is a watershed release. Official benchmarks show a 36% increase in read throughput, a 56% surge in bulk write efficiency, and a 96% reduction in vector memory via quantization. These gains are accessible to engineers who understand the underlying mechanics. Our 90-day learning path takes you from a single node to a global cluster. Each phase, from local optimization to enterprise security, ends with a rigorous pressure test, validating your work with real load and real data. This is mentorship, not a tutorial library. Every lesson is an engineering task with verifiable success criteria. You will replace guesswork with real engineering formulas and gain practical intuition into internals like wired tiger eviction pressure and per CPU caches. This course is built for engineers serious about scale. It helps junior engineers master distributed systems intuition, enables senior engineers and SREs to diagnose execution bottlenecks, and equips managers to make data-driven decisions on scaling. You will need a foundation to go this deep. Prerequisites include proficiency in a modern backend language, a conceptual understanding of B-trees and the CAP theorem, and basic familiarity with Linux memory management and cloud networking primitives. If you have these, you are ready. One enrollment provides the complete engineering curriculum. You get 90 hands-on lessons, the flagship Flexible Content Hub project, full source code, mentor-style explanations, self-paced access, and lifetime access to all course materials. Start building today. Unlock lifetime access to the entire course for a one-time payment of just $99. Available on any device you own. Or else you can choose the Pro plan for access to key courses, or the Pro Max plan for access to everything, dedicated support, and custom learning paths. Unlock the knowledge you need to master scalable architecture.